Today we're going to be trying to finish up my Mammoth pistol. What we're going to do is we're going to knock off the rear sight, put a new one on that's a little bit taller. We're going to put the little bump thing on this side and on the other side. Those shouldn't take too long. And then if we get all that, we might put the wood paneling on. Okay, now we're going to remove the back sights. We got to be careful because if we do it too hard, it can rip this part off. Okay, now we're going to glue these on. One here and one there. And then we got to make a little round thing there. Forgot about that. Might make a new handle because I don't like this handle. I might make a new one. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna remake the handle. It's gonna be the same thickness, it's just gonna be a different shape. The back isn't gonna be cut off so much. This will be the front, and then it'll attach there. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the old handle. I have to cut it off because there's a wood screw in there, dowel rod, whatever you want to call it. So I have to cut it off, and then we will attach the new one. We're gonna be finishing my wooden Mammoth pistol, paint it all, and then at the end of the video, we'll attach it all. I got some wood filler. This is like a couple years old, but it should still work. I used it towards the beginning of the year when I made that wooden stool. Okay, so this is going to be one of the side panels. I have to cut another piece. And then we have to put it on my table saw. Okay, so we got these slits cut in both pieces. Now we have to cut from the top down to meet that. And this will go... We're going to leave this small part here, and that's going to go up against this. And then that part that we cut off here is going to be up here. Okay. We're going to paint the gun now. The wood paneling that was on the handle and the barrel, I started making it, realized I don't really like it. It looks more like the pistol with... It looks more like the Mammoth pistol without the wood paneling than it does with it. So we're not going to put the wood paneling on. I could always do it later if I decide, but we're not going to do it for this. I like it without it. It's not finished being painted. I'm going to get some gray paint. This is like a lightish, not light, it's a darker gray. But I'm going to get a metal looking gray to finish painting this. But that's going to be the end for this video. The next video, I will show you what this looks like once it's finished being painted. And I will also start on the aluminum Mammoth pistol.